This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can access a page using QR code in the Hostinger website builder. First, I go to google.com and type Hostinger. I click on that. Now, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites and websites list. Now I scroll down. Here our website has been listed. The first three websites has been built using WordPress and the last one is built using Hostinger website builder. Now I click on edit website. Now my website has been opened. Here on the left hand side, I look for pages and navigation. I click on that and here our pages has been listed. I look for the home page. I click on that and click on create QR code. Now our QR code has been generated and under this you can change the background color. I enable that and I change the color from white to green. And the pertinent color from black to brown. And under the link to, I click on the home page and I select the format as PNG. I click on download. Now our QR code has been downloaded successfully. I open the QR code and using this you can scan any mobile using this QR code to get open the home page of our website. So in this way you can easily create a QR code for any web pages. I save the changes and close. Thank you.